In this full-stack backend architecture tutorial, we walk you through the design and implementation of a scalable grocery ordering platform using a modern microservices approach. This is the system architecture overview showing different services under Spring Cloud Gateway and PostgreSQL DB for each service. Authentication strategy. Firebase Authentication plus Spring Security. Client app authenticates with Firebase Auth, Google Sign-in, email/password, etc. Firebase issues a JWT. Spring Boot microservices verify the JWT via a custom authentication filter. Use security filter chain with once per request filter to validate Firebase tokens and extract user info. Firebase JWT validation in Spring Boot. Use Firebase admin SDK to decode/verify JWTs. Extract UID, email, and roles from token claims. Custom authentication provider populates Spring security context. Service by service breakdown. 1. User service. Responsibilities. Handle authenticated user profiles. Maintain role metadata, stored in PostgreSQL. Validate roles during secured access. Data model. At entity. Class app user. At ID string UID. String email. String role. Consumer. Retailer. Admin. Endpoints. Get/me. Get logged in user info. Post/role. Set/update user role. 2. Product catalog service. Responsibilities. Store and manage grocery items. Enable search/filter features. Data model. At entity. Class product. At ID at generated value long ID. String name. String description. String unit. E.g. 1 kilogram. Big decimal price. Int stock quantity. String shelf life. Endpoints. Get/items. List all products. Get/items/ID. Product detail. Get/items/search. Name equals milk. Optional. 3. Cart service. Responsibilities. 1 cart per user. Cart stores product IDs, quantity, price. Data model. At entity. Class cart item. At ID at generated value long ID. String user ID. Long product ID. In quantity. Big decimal total price. Endpoints. Get/cart, current cart. Post/cart, add or update item. Delete/cart/ product ID or remove item. Delete/cart, clear cart. Cross-service call. Feign client to product service to fetch latest price and stock validation. 4. Order service. Responsibilities. Place orders using cart content. Track and manage order status. Data model. At entity. Class order. At ID at generated value long ID. String user ID. Big decimal total cost. String status. Placed. Shipped. Delivered. Cancelled. At one-to-many list. Order item. Items. Class order item. Long product ID. String name. In quantity. Big decimal unit price. Endpoints. Post/orders. Place new order. Get/orders. Get users past orders. Patch/orders/ID/status. Admin update status. Spring Cloud Components. Spring Cloud Gateway, API Gateway. Central entry point for routing. Apply global filters like Firebase JWT validation. Logging. CORS. Spring Cloud Config Server. Centralized configuration for all services. Uses Git or file-based backend. Each service pulls properties from the config server during boot. Service communication. Feign Clients. Declarative REST clients. Simplifies HTTP calls between microservices. Example. Cart service uses product service to validate product existence and fetch price. At Feign Client. Name equals product service. Public interface product client at getMapping/items/ID. Product DTO getProduct at path variable long ID. Testing strategy. Unit tests. JUnit 5 plus mock ITO. Test controllers, services, and repositories in isolation. Integration tests. Testcontainers for PostgreSQL. Simulate API calls, database interactions, and verify end-to-end behavior. Docker and Docker Compose. Docker file example from OpenJDK 21 JDK. Copy target/userservice.jar app-jar. entrypoint. Java. jar/app-jar. Docker compose.yaml. Services. Config server. build/config server. Ports. 8888:8888. Gateway. build/API gateway. Ports. 8080:8080. User service. build/user service. Environment. Spring_config_import equals config server. http://config server. 8888. Depends _on. Config server. Repeat for other services. Postgres user. Image, Postgres. Environment. Postgres_db users. Postgres_user, user. Postgres_password. Pass. Ports. 5432:5432. README.md should include architecture diagram, prerequisites, Java, Docker, Firebase setup instructions, build, run, API documentation links, Swagger UI Postman collection, how to run tests, Firebase configuration example, final deliverables, user service / cart service / product service / order service / config server / API gateway / Docker compose.yaml, readme.md, Swagger UI in each service, Postman collection, Testcontainers for PostgreSQL. Please like, share, and subscribe. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.